Hi everyone, welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. In this math tutorial video, we will apply the Lambert W function to be able to obtain the approximate value of x. Now, if you know that this interests you, please like the video and subscribe to this channel. So let's dive into it. So the question says x raised to the power of x is equal to 10. Now, the first operation we carry out here is to take the natural log of both sides. So this becomes ln x raised to the power of x is equal to ln 10. Recall that if I have log m raised to the power of a in base b, this can also be expressed as a multiplied by log m to base b. So therefore, the left-hand side of the equation becomes x multiplied by ln x equal to ln 10. Now, also note that x can also be written as e raised to the power of ln x. So if that is true, we can replace our x in our equation by e raised to the power of ln x. So thus, this becomes e raised to the power of ln x multiplied by ln s equal to ln 10. Now we can rearrange the left hand side. So this becomes ln x multiplied by e ln s equal to ln 10. Now, if you look closely at equation A, you will find that the coefficient of e, which is ln s, is equal to the index of e. And for us to be able to apply the Lambert W function, our equation must take this form, x multiplied by e raised to the power of x, so that when we now apply the Lambert W function, this is equal to x. So we can apply this knowledge in our equation here. So we have that this becomes w multiplied by ln x multiplied by e raised to the power of ln s equal to w ln 10. So the left hand side of the equation will reduce to ln s equal to w open bracket ln 10. Now looking at our equation, to make s the subject of the formula, we take the inverse log of both sides. So we have that this becomes e raised to the power of ln s equal to e raised to the power of the Lambert W function ln 10. So the left hand side now reduces to s equal to e raised to the power of w ln 10. Now we have been able to obtain the value of x. But if you want to obtain the approximate value of x, you have to use a calculator that supports the product log function or the Lambert W function. So if you use such calculator, x is approximately equal to 2.50618 and so on. So the value here is the approximate value of x. So let's check if our solution is correct. So we are given that x raised to the power of x is equal to 10. But we obtain the value of x to be 2.50618. So we have 2.50618 all raised to the power of 2.50618 equal to 10. If you simplify the left hand side, we have 9.9999, which is approximately equal to 10. Thank you so much for watching. If you know you found the video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel for weekly mathematics videos. I will see you in my next video. Bye.